was watching you through the peephole. I saw you get ready. Come in. We are in room 9919 at Port Orleans Riverside, which is a royal guest room. So I thought I would give you a room tour. We just got here, so we just dumped all of our stuff here. I wanted to do a room tour before we messed everything up. But this is totally different than the other rooms. Everything is completely different. But it's kind of cool. Oh, the bed turned off. We also did turn the beds on. They sparkle. Pretty cool. Kind of like the headboards at Disneyland. And I'm assuming this is the fridge. Yep. Yes, we have a fridge. And 3 drawers. That's not a ton of space if you have a lot of people. But, oh, there's a bench here. We didn't have a bench in the last one. There's a lot of, like, pictures on the walls. Oh, they're really anchored very well. Oh, look, Tiana, she wrote us a note. Did you read what Tiana said?
No, what does it say?
Oh. It's like in the table. Welcome all. We are so excited to have you stay with us. My friends and I have shared so many wonderful moments here that this has become a very special place in our hearts. As you make yourself at home, you'll discover some treasured mementos my friends have given me over the years. Enjoy making magical memories with your friends and family in my royal guest room. Your friend, Princess Tiana. Wow, it really looked like real paper when we just walked in. That's kind of funny. Oh, and this is the bathroom area. Whisper quiet. And there's a safe, and it's one of these with like the key attached to a tire kind of thing. I remember this from last time that they had the old safes. It's very nice though. These are fun sinks. They're magic like genie lamps. Aren't those cool? Fun.
Very fun.
And a shower. Oh, it's a nice shower head. So that is, okay, I'm gonna come out of the bathroom before I talk. So that is our room, our royal guest room at Port Orleans Riverside. Thanks for watching.